2 boxes Old El Paso Spanish rice, 1 16-ounce jar paste picani. Now I'm coming in with my pulled chicken. I've got about 2 pounds here. 1 packet McCormick chili seasoning. Yummy. Now I've got my low sodium chicken broth, and I'm gonna add in about 2 to 3 cups of this, kind of enough to mix in with all that rice. I'm just gonna give this a good stir to combine all of this. Y'all, this is such an easy dinner. It's inspired by south of the border flavors, deliciousness, and you can just make this in just a few minutes. Set it and forget it. We're gonna put ours in the oven. You could always do this in a crock pot if you wanted, but this is a family favorite. It's just so easy. It has something for everyone in here. We've got salsa, which everyone loves, chicken. You could use a beef if you prefer. You could put a taco seasoning in instead of the chili seasoning. We've got that rice. You could add some veggies if you like, although we've got some veggies right in our salsa. All right. I'm just making sure all of our seasonings are mixed in well to combine. We've got that salsa and that chili powder spread out and covering all this delicious chicken and rice. Alrighty guys, I'm coming in with my Colby Jacques cheese, my absolute favorite cheese. Of course, you can use whatever kind you like, a Mexican blend, a cheddar, whatever's calling to you, but I absolutely love Colby Jacques. And look at this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the real good stuff. A dinner no one can say no to. Alrighty guys, we're gonna wrap this so tight with some foil. We wanna make sure we're keeping all the moisture in here because it's gonna cook that rice. I'm gonna let Marty do that part because he's better at it. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes, and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty guys, we had to do it a little extra time in the oven. It ended up being like a total of an hour and 10 minutes. So I just wanna tell you guys, but we've got one more wonderful thing to add. Today we are trying the Gordon's cheese dip. Check that out. Restaurant style queso. Just gonna go right on top of this. Yum! Like I said, took a little longer. We might have overdid our broth a little bit. 3 cups max probably is what you guys want. Look at this cheesy Mexican rice. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is just looking incredible. I cannot wait to taste this. Oh my God. Oh, it's hot. Woo! Y'all, this is so good. You've got to try it.